Alright, we're having some fun. Throwing the ball at the fire alarm. Now, I've been throwing the ball at the fire alarm a couple times. I don't successfully get the ball to hit the fire alarm every single time. But every time the ball bounces off the wall, it comes back to me. So I do know I always get the ball back after I bounce it off. But let's see if we can try to hit the fire alarm with the green ball here. Ah, dang. We'll keep trying. Oh, that time it got it. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh shoot. The ball's getting away. It almost got hit, but not quite. It got hit at the top, sort of. Ugh. Yeah. A rubber ball is not going to hurt the fire alarm. That SpectrAlert Advance is made out of plastic. This is probably like made out of rubber or whatever. Now I'm doing it with both of my hands. Ah, shoot, we don't want to break anything. Fire alarm got hit once again. Now I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna get up close and try to have fun. Ah. Mm. Mm. This is the this is not the end of the video. We still got some more fire alarm fun. Alright, now a couple more shots here. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Now I'm going to try to do it while I'm laying down on my bed. Oh, damn it. When the ball hits the floor, it almost bounces to me before that, but... See how popular this video gets. Oh, man. Ugh. Damn ball. Ow, it hit me in the head. The ball hit me in the head. Alright, now this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed.